Hi friends, do you want to know how to make these designs? Isn't that super cute? I love it. I love the colors. I love the design, everything about it. Do you want to know how to make these mock-ups? I bet you do. Guess what? It's not the platform that you think it is. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got these designs and where I got these designs in the mock-ups. And also peep the video as well. Guess what, guys? I'm going to walk you through Kittl. I'm going to show you step by step how to make these designs and the mock-ups. Stay tuned and let's get to it. Head on to Kittl. So now Kittl, this is your dashboard. This would be considered your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you have all the different things to show you that you can do. Well, it's not everything, but it's a few things. So like merchandise, where you can create t-shirts. Look at this. This type of gold, stay golden, that's really nice. Oh, look at this cute, create a Y2K design. That is super cute. So these you can use for t-shirts, for anything, any type of merchandise. Then you have videos. You can have one, you can have it create you a video for TikTok, for your social media, any social media. And then I like this too with the floating objects. Like this is a great way to promote your product or whatever it is that you're selling. This is nice. Like you can create all of this in Kittl. And as you can see, you can load it right on to TikTok. So this is great. Then you have your mockups. This is great for Etsy or your Amazon or your own website. Anything where you're creating your own mockups. This is great. Then you have your product visuals, same as before. And look at this candle. That looks super cute. It went from this to that. Like, I like that. That's really nice. Then you have your branding where you can do your own logos using their typography. This is so nice. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to let me explain to you what you can use Kittl for. Kittl can be used to create the t-shirts, planners, book covers, logos, brand kits. You can use it for your social media content, flyers, stickers, labels, invitation, clip arts. As you can see, the list goes on and on, right? It's just such a great tool. You can use this for Etsy and definitely print on demand. So this is just such a great tool to use, and it helps take away guessing and trying to figure out how should I do it. They have things already created for you where you can just go ahead and click it and change it up to your own liking. So you don't even have to try to figure out what to create, how to create it. They already give you designs that you can kind of use. A little guideline, I would say, a little map, if you would say. But I think this is great. Also, here's projects. So if you had any previous projects, you would just click projects and it would take you to previous projects. As you can see, I had a few that I've done before. Look at this right here, Fancy Grad. That was a year ago, but like, this is so nice. All right, let's go ahead and let's create something. I'm going to go ahead and click create. And when I click create, it tells me to choose from an artboard. And then it gives me size. So this is like if I want standard, poster, t-shirt, Instagram post, Facebook post, A4 for like notebook, A5 presentation, business card. Everything is done for you. The sizes are already, if you look over here to the right, the sizes are already put down for you. Then you have social media, Instagram posts. You can see it already changes the size for you. It changes every size. Then you have Facebook. It has all, let me see, it has everything here for you. Then you have marketing for your logo, your poster, your flyer. And like I said, everything is already sized up for you. You don't have to do much. And then they also have print on demand. So if you want to design something for print on demand, look, they have the mugs. They have the notebook covers. They have different t-shirts that's awkward. They have t-shirts, like so many different things. But we're going to go back to popular. And I'm going to do t-shirt. We're going to go ahead and create t-shirt design. And I'm going to click create. Now, if you look over here to the left, they already have some designs for you. So if you wanted to use a design, you can. You can click on it. And then it give you other options. You can change it however you want. You can say maybe I wanted a different color, a little different style. You would click just a little purple dot, and then you would click AI image board, and you would tell it what you want. But I'm not going to go ahead and do that because I have a design in mind that I want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's see, delete this. Oops. Well, as you can see, you can delete it from here. You don't have to use that. You can just, what I did was click these dots and click delete. That's just that simple. So if I didn't want this either, go over here and click delete. Oh, don't want this, click delete. And if I just wanted the heart, and then I can say if I want something else here, I will go here, describe the image, and tell it what I want. Let's just play around with it. I'm gonna say above the heart, create cutie and hot pink color. Okay, we're gonna head and generate that. And here we go. It did cutie, which is so cute. And it did the hot pink and it did the hot pink heart. I really like it. So there you go. You took the designs from the left side and the design templates from the left side, and it went ahead and we were able to change it. We were able to use the templates on the left hand side and turn it into something of our own. So it wasn't much thinking or thought put into it that we had to do, and it created it. I like that. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to create our own. So I want to go to new project. I want to go back to t-shirt, and I want to go to create. Now I want to use the AI agent feature. Okay, let's see here. We're going to go to AI image board. And I want to tell it to create a graffiti with nice bright colors. I'm going to say graffiti. Let's see, I spelled that wrong. Yes. Create a graffiti. I am that girl. Now let's see what it does. And look at that. It created I am that girl. I love it. I love this. Okay, so let's see what else we could do if we need to do any tweaks to it. I love the colors. I love everything about this. Okay, now that our image is created, we would click on it because we want to remove the background because we need it to be a transparent background. So we're going to say that, remove the background. And it did it. It removed the background. Okay. Then if you look over here to your right, you will see, first if you look to your right, you will see the prompt. Well, I think I clicked the plus. I'm not sure. Hopefully it just creates the same prompt, not the one, not nothing new. But also if you go down to the right, you'll see these tools. If you need to edit an area, you can go ahead and, let's say you don't want this, you could take that out. I actually like it, so I'm gonna keep, well, you know what, let's go ahead. We would just do it like that. And there it's done. All right. So now we're back to our image. So remember, it started here where it was just like this. Then we took it and we erased the background. Now we would like to do a mock-up. And you can do other things with it. You can vectorize it. You can upscale it. You have so many different options you can do. You can even remix it. But I'm not going to bother. I like it just the way it is. So now, and then you have other drop downs. You can, just so many different things you can do with it. Now I'm going to select this. I'm not ready to generate a video yet. I want to go ahead and I want to create a mock-up now. And let's see what it does. And there we had it. It generated a t-shirt mock-up for us. And it looks super cute. Now let's take it another step. Now as you can see, you can do a mock-up like that's too big. Now let's say take this mock-up and put it on a little girl iPad. Okay, let's go ahead and let that generate. Okay, and it created that. Very nice. Now guys, you see the different things you can do with Kittl. So we went from creating a design for a t-shirt. We went to putting the design onto a t-shirt mock-up, onto putting the mock-up design on a little girl for a mock-up. Now how about we take it another step and let's make a video. So we're gonna say, let's click on the picture, because you want to click on it so that you see it show up here, just to make sure that you click the right one. We're gonna say, take this photo and turn it into a video. The little girl will stand up and show her t-shirt. Okay, and let's go ahead and generate that. Okay guys, so now our videos are created. And before we get to that, I just want to show you, when you do your video, you want to make sure that you change your ratio. So this one right here is good for TikTok or Instagram Reels, so it would be a 9:16. Now if you want it to be like a YouTube, that would be the 16:9. But majority would probably use the 9:16, because you can also use that for Etsy when you're doing an Etsy mock-up. Okay, so that's how it did, and this came out great. It did exactly what we asked. We asked her to stand up and show off her t-shirt, and it did just that in both videos. Same young girl, same little girl. So this is great. So now we wanted to go ahead and generate mock-ups for Etsy. We want to do a mock-up for Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click this design here. You want to make sure that you click on the design that you want. We're going to do that. Also, we want to change this, because this is on video. We want to change it back to Agent AI. Now I'm going to say create for Etsy listings. Let's say using this design. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click that and see what it does. Okay guys, so we have some mock-ups. Now even though it says Etsy right here, you can always take this and crop it. Once you download it, you can crop that out so that you can just have the picture, the design right here. But this is so cute. I love this. I love how it has it in the frame. Those colors just really pop. I am so in love with this. That looks so nice. Then we have a mug. That looks so nice on a mug. I love that as well. And here it just has a description of how to use it. I am that girl, empowering wall art. I love it. It already did the work for you. You didn't have to worry about doing a mock-up and then trying to add others to it. It just did everything here for you. I love that. And then look, it also did a t-shirt. It did a t-shirt mock-up. That is so cute. And I'm sorry guys, I'm just so in awe with these colors. I love this. This came out so nice. And then it did another mock-up. This is I love it all. I love it all. Like, you can use all of these mock-ups all of these mock-ups for your Etsy. Guys, you can use this one design right here. You can take this, have it printed as a UV DTF, and take it and you can put it on journals. You can make a little kid journal with that. You can take it and put it on a t-shirt. That would be a DTF print, and you will put it on a t-shirt. It can also go on a cell phone. Let me give you examples here. You can put it on a cell phone, put it on a mug, a tote bag. You can do so much, but this would be great to start for a girl's line. Now, how do you get this design? This one. And you would click export and it would do it for you. But if you did it the way you click export and you did it the way you can see here, you have JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF. You can download these any way you would like. Also, you can also remove the background. So this one we already did it as a transparent background, but let's say we use this one which we didn't change. You can click here and it will remove the background for you. So there's so many options. I am in love with Kittl. I am going to show more videos using Kittl with different things, different designs, because I'm enjoying this. This is so fun. Like, just tell it what you want and have fun, and everything is like a one-stop shop. So I definitely would do some more videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Let me know if you're going to use Kittl. And if you want to use Kittl, I have a code for you. The description is down below. So please go ahead and click the link and use the code and get Kittl and have so much fun. It's like a one-stop shop. It can be used for everything. So enjoy. I know I will be taking these and putting them on different things and making a little girl's line with this. As always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.